Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be October Ipsy Bag 2018. This monthly bag costs $10 a month. This beauty subscription bag is $10 a month, which provides 5 sample products every month. All you gotta do is take the quiz and Ipsy. They will perfectly match you to 5 products. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. The theme for this month of October 2018 is Who Said Nights Were for Sleep? This is the theme. And then on the back it said test drive a vampy lip shade. We all need beauty rest, but there's nothing like the weird expectable things that go down when you stay out late and whatnot. And it tells you to go Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and yada. So let's see how the bag looks like for this month of October 2018. This is it. Okay. So the first product, I'm digging in. Okay. So the first product I have is by Naked Cosmetics. And this is like a loose eyeshadow in the shade Rainforest. Let me see, how do you open this? Okay, let's take the wrapper out. Okay, I got it. So I'm opening it. And this is like a beautiful green color. So I'm gonna like take a little bit because and like swatch it. Look how beautiful is this, like a olive green color. It's so pretty. So obviously this is loose powdery, so I'm gonna try this out on my lids to see, like I swatched it, it's very pigmented, but I want to see if it's like very pigmented when I put it on my eyelids. So let's try it. So I'm taking my Real Technique shader brush and I'm just gonna like dip it in and like tap out the excess. Oh, but I take out everything. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on my lids. I got my mirror. Wow, I'm not usually a fan of like loose pigment. Let me zoom in. Loose pigment like eyeshadows. Cause look at all this fallout. But I like it. It's so pretty. Let's zoom in more so you guys can see. Look how beautiful. Okay, so far it is very pigmented, as you can see. Super pigmented. The green is beautiful. Love it. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. Beautiful. Such a beautiful olive green color, and it has like a little sparkle in it, and it's very pigmented. the eyeshadow. I underestimate this shadow. I really thought it wasn't gonna be like super pigmented, but it is. Love it. Love it. Love it. Let's see what's inside this bag for this month of October 2018. Okay, so the next thing I have the Glamour Dolls mascara, and it's obviously the shade is black. This is Glamour Dolls. Oh, the top came off. So they gave me a broken mascara. Yeah. The wand is like broken. Oh my god. And this is it. The wand is very nice and it's very messy. So let's just try this out. It like volumes, but it's like very messy. Okay, you can see the difference. Let's try another. Look at this. Broken. Okay. Like it, I don't really like this mascara one. First of all, it's broken and it's very messy, very like liquidy, and third, it doesn't even do like a good job at volumizing my lashes. You can see I don't like it at all. I have tried many mascaras that does much more volume than this, so this product is a no. Okay, let's see what else inside this month for this bag of Ipsy. I know I almost said it backwards, but I don't know what's wrong with me today. So okay, so the next thing I have the Make It Forever Ultra HD foundation. Wow, I literally got a foundation. I love it. Make It Forever Ultra HD. Wow, I am so hyped because I always wanted to try out this foundation, but you know Make It Forever is like a high-end brand and it's like very expensive. So I'm really happy to try this. And this is an old like not an old brand, like a old foundation. This is an old foundation that came out a long time ago, but I always want to try it. But I'm not gonna spend $42 on a foundation that I'm just gonna use one time if I don't like it. So I like to get samples so I could find out if I like it or not. Then if I like it, I'll purchase the big size. You know, purchase the big size. So Make It Forever, and I have the shade Y335. Y335 is the shade, and let's put it on the palm of my hand. It's very liquidy, which I love. I like a very liquidy foundation because that shows that it's a lightweight foundation and it's not that like thick and like it's gonna be like all cakey if it sticks or not. So I definitely love this lightweight foundation. So I'm gonna use my beauty blender. This is definitely my color. Ipsy like did it well for me. Matched me up so perfectly. I got like a little bit more, but it's very lightweight, this foundation, to be like a first time trying this one out, which I know this foundation came out a long time ago, but hey, we can't get like every single product that came out at the same time, because that's just like hundreds and hundreds of dollars spend. So if you are a long time subscriber of me, you know I try my best to buy all like the latest makeup that came out, the latest skincare. I try my best like to do it. So okay, so since I'm blending this foundation out, the first thing I see that it's like a dewy foundation. This is a dewy foundation and it's lightweight. So it's a dewy lightweight foundation. It's very dewy and super lightweight. I like it. Okay, well, you guys can see. Do you guys like it? No, but it's not that much coverage on this. It's not full coverage, but it's very dewy and lightweight. I like it. It's very simple. This is great for like an everyday look, because if I'm going out with this, I would want something like a little bit more like coverage on me. So okay, so the next thing I have in this October bag is a brush. You know guys, I love my brushes, and this brush is by Royal LANGNICKEL, and Royal LANGNICKEL is sold at Walmart. It is a very affordable makeup brush line and I absolutely love it. The bristles are cruelty free, which I love it. And this brush is BMX-265 Glow. So this is a glow brush, and this is used to, you know, highlight your cheeks. So I'm gonna try this out right now, and it's very soft. I'm familiar with Royal LANGNICKEL brands that got brushes like this before in my collection, and I absolutely love it. It is so good and I love it. So let's try this out, and I'm gonna use my famous drugstore Wet n Wild Mega highlighting powder. So I'm gonna use this and use this brush, which I know is gonna be good because I tried this out before. A little bit more. Wait. Look at this glow. Love the brush. It is so good to highlight your cheeks, your nose, everywhere you want to highlight. Love it. Let me just try highlighting here. it don't do no justice, but it works well on my cheeks and I love it. Love the way it looks on me. Love the shimmery. Love it. Love the glow. It's amazing. And I love this brush. If you want your hands on this Glow Royal LANGNICKEL brush, look for it at your local Walmart store. Go to the makeup aisle in the brush department and look for this. And it's promise it's gonna be under $10. That's how affordable is this brand. So good. It's so amazing. So soft. It's not rough on your face. The bristles is so amazing. Love it. So try this out. Okay, so let's see what's the last product in this month of October 2018. Okay, so I got the NATURELAB Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, color protecting and paraben free. And then open it. Yeah, so smells so good. It has a green tea scent to this. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like green tea, literally. So this is a hair mask, and I'm gonna read to you. And it's cruelty free, paraben free, sulfur free. It's amazing. And this is I think this is a Japanese product from Tokyo. Wow. Okay, so it's a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioner treatment for smoother, stronger hair, and apply from end to scalp. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse. So this is a leave-in treatment. So I'm definitely gonna try this out and I'm gonna give you guys my honest review, not now, but in my next favorite videos for next month. I'll try this out this month and give you my thoughts and reviews next month in the next month favorites, and I'll see if I really like this or not. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this month, October Ipsy bag. This month was amazing and I can't wait to find out what I'm gonna get next month for November. I don't know, but I'm so excited. So if you enjoy my products that I got this month, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and the kind of videos I upload with makeup tutorials and more. I don't want to bore you guys, but I do makeup tutorials and more. And but thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.